Even after makeup removal and regular cleansing, the skin still has debris trapped underneath multiple layers. You don't have to do steam treatments often, but try twice a week for a month and you may see benefits like tightened, younger looking skin, more even skin tone, and a reduction in blemishes. Features: 1. Penetrate the skin barrier more easily. A tepid and gentle temperature of the steamer can unclog pores, remove dirt, oil, keratin, and leftovers of makeup, promote blood circulation. 2. Promote nutrients absorption for the skin and collagen regeneration. It can melt away dead skin cells to make nutrients more absorbable for the skin. After a period for using, the symptoms of blackheads, fat granule, and acne can be relieved significantly. It can soften the cuticle, restore smooth, delicate skin, and improve skin's nutritional absorbency. 3. Help skin restore to a smooth, delicate condition. A tepid and gentle temperature of the steamer can open and unclog pores to remove skin dirt, oil, and makeup as well, promote blood circulation, improve cell vitality, help skin restore to a smooth, delicate skin condition. 4. Kill skin bacteria and suppress acne. Also, it can weaken pigmented spots, kill skin bacteria, and suppress acne. Even for relieving the symptom of sinuses is also effective. Attention 1. Before using the steamer for the first time, please let it run with a full tank of water with a few drops of lemonade for removing a bit of odor from manufacturing. 2. When adding water, please gently pull out the water tank vertically from the back of the steamer, and then twist off the round lid at the bottom of the tank to fill water. 3. The distance between the steamer and face should be 7 to 8 inches, 20 centimeters, when steaming. A full tank of water can be steamed for about 8 to 10 minutes. Compared to normal steam, this powerful spa home Nano Ionic steam can more easily penetrate the skin barrier. Generates hot steam in seconds, easily absorbed through skin, and moisturize skin more quickly. Opens and unclogs your pores, allows you to remove dirt, oil, and grime from your skin, melts away dead skin cells, replace chemical exfoliating scrubs and peels, make toner, cream, and other nutrients absorbable. Besides skin care, this beauty instrument mist sprayer can also be used for interior humidifier in a powerful and efficient way, also can relieve cold and sinus problems. A tepid and gentle temperature of the steamer can open and unclog pores to remove skin dirt, oil, and makeup as well, promote blood circulation, improve cell vitality, help skin restore to a smooth, delicate skin condition. A larger 7.5 ml water tank allows for 10 minutes of working time with a comp.Automatic low water and overheat shutoff. Lightweight and easy to use. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.